If you need to unlink a bank account from your Afterpay account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app. Launch the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Tap on it to view the linked accounts. Step 4. Choose a bank account. Find the bank account you wish to unlink. Tap on it to access the details and options related to the account. Step 5. Unlink the bank account. Look for an option that says Remove or Unlink. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the process of unlinking the bank account. Once you have followed these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from your Afterpay account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance.